Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today the 2015 Mazda BT50, stock number 6840. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. Has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front aftermarket 16-inch wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stick stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.